Snowstorm 2011, February. Tim and Sabian out playing in the snow. This is their second romp. Oh, probably their fifth romp. They've been up since early, enjoying the snow. Tama's second year. Tama's 2 years old. 2 snowstorms. How appropriate. Sabian's first snowstorm. She's been having fun too. Tama and Sabian in the snow. Wishing you a happy snow day. Hot chocolate, girls? Hot chocolate? Yeah. Hope you're somewhere safe and warm, enjoying your snow day of 2011. Tama and Sabian from Tama's Tales, wishing you a happy snow day. Let's go get that hot chocolate. Come on. Stay safe, stay warm. Happy snow day from Tama's Tales. Come on, girls. Hot chocolate's this way. Good girls.